fucking thing like is vertical, like to the water's edge. So where we were, we come in on boats up the creek, and when you get to the dune just fucking runs like at 75 fucking degree angle straight into the water. So you haven't been to this spot, have you?
No.
This Point Hicks, mate. It's the biggest biggest dune in the southern hemisphere, apparently. I don't know, I haven't seen it. Fucking, when you first see it, mate, it looks like a mountain, mate. You're going, oh, it can't be that big. No, it's a fucking sand dune.
You can see it from sea when you're out in the trawler. Like